and L squared are the roots of the equation. 4x squared plus bx plus 32 equal to 0. Find the value of b. First of all, let's write this equation here, this quadratic equation. We have a 4x squared plus bx plus 32 is equal. And because L and L squared are the solution of this quadratic equation, we can write this as factors of the solution. We can write as a x minus L times x minus L squared. And now here I'm going to distribute x minus L times x minus L squared. And now 4x squared plus bx plus 32 is going to be equal. If I'm distributing here, it's going to be x squared minus x times L squared, and is a minus Lx plus L cubic. So let me simplify a little bit here. And 4x squared plus bx plus 32 is going to be equal to the x squared minus L squared plus L times x plus L cubic. So here we are. And the purpose here is to make how it was in its original form. And now because here is a 4, it means it was a 4x squared, the original form, but because we wanted to find the solution, we simplified by 4. And now just this part here, I am going to multiply by 4. Just to the right side, I am going to multiply by 4 and to make like it was in the original form. And if I am multiplying everything by 4, so this part is just to the right side, then this is going to be equal in this form. So 4x squared plus bx plus 32 is going to be equal, so I'm multiplying just this part by 4. 4x squared minus 4 times L plus L squared, so we can write L squared or L, it doesn't make any difference. And here is a x and plus L cubic. And now as we see here, this is 4x squared. Okay, this is 4x squared is equal to the leading coefficient 4 squared. The purpose here was to multiply by 4 to make this leading coefficient as it was here, 4. But now this bx is going to be with minus 4L plus L squared times x. But this one we cannot solve right now. But what we can do here, the 32, the constant 32 is going to be equal to the L cubic. So L cubic is equal with the 32. But then here was a 4 because we multiplied by 4 everything. So and this one here is a 4 because I forgot this one to multiply by 4. As we said before, we are multiplying all of this side by 4. And now, since I'm in this situation here, I'm going to divide by 4. Everything we are dividing by 4. This side and this side. So here we simplify. And L cubic is going to be equal. 32 divided by 4 is 8. If we are taking a cubic root to both sides, so L is going to be equal with 2. So we found L. So this is a good. And now L squared, we can find in the L squared. So L squared is going to be, if I'm squaring both sides, this one here, if I'm squaring, what's going to happen here, L squared is going to be equal with the 2 squared, so 2 squared is 4. So we found then the L squared. So now on the right side here, I'm going to substitute instead of the L, 2 plus 4. And let's see where it leads. So now we have a 4x squared plus bx plus 32 is equal with a 4x squared. Here is a minus, so it was a minus. Here is a 4. And now instead of the L, I am plugging numerical value 2, plus instead of the L squared, I am plugging in the numerical value 4. And here is a x, plus is a 4L cubic, but 4L cubic, as we saw here before, 4L cubic is 32, so this we can write 32. But now we are looking here, b, the coefficient b here, and instead of the coefficient b, we have this part here, so this is the coefficient b. So b is going to be equal with a negative 4 times 2 plus 4 is a 6, so this is here. So b is going to be minus 4 times 6 is a minus 24. And we found the value of b. So the value of b here is equal with the minus 24.